Look, the city of Rome is alive with cheery crowds, and no one is at work. It's one big street party to celebrate Julius Caesar's military victory over the sons of General Pompey the Great. His arch-enemy, the Roman sewage offensive name for elected officials, are seriously angry with the way the citizens are behaving morally. Some mayor will keep reminding the crowds of hypocrisy. They used to support Pompey, an honorable man, and cheer for him. The tribune swore they should be terrified of what evil Caesar will always know. He shall rule of Rome. The tribune swore they should be terrified of what evil Caesar will always know. He shall rule of Rome. The citizen church back more subdued, but nobody's feeling done for long because it's this festival of Lupercalia.